A very good morning to the lovely students. This is Kajal, your teacher of English. Today we are going to revise the first stanza of the poem Road Not Taken, written by Robert Frost. Now I am going to read the first line of the first stanza. Two roads diverged in a yellow wood. Students, you have learnt that the poet was walking down a road and the road on which he was traveling was diverging. You know, the word diverge here means getting separated into two different directions. In a yellow wood. Wood here means forest and yellow means the forest in which the leaves have turned to yellow color due to the autumn season. And sorry, I could not travel both. Here, the traveler, the poet, is feeling sorry because he can't travel both roads at one time. Because he is a single person and it is not possible to travel both roads at one time. Means he is feeling sorry because he can't choose the second option. He has to select one out of two roads. And be one traveler long I stood. And he is a single traveler there, so he kept standing there for a long time, thinking about his selection. He was thinking which road he should choose and which road he should leave. Means he was thinking which selection he should make. And looked down one as far as I could. He kept standing there for a long time and kept looking at the road as far as he could see. Means he was trying to see where the road was going. He was trying to see the road till its end. He was trying to see what will be the result of choosing the road. If he chooses the first road, what would be the result of this? And if he chooses the second road, what would be the result of that? Means he was thinking about the future. He was thinking what will be the result of his selection. Next, to where it bent in the undergrowth. Means bent here means turning. As you know, the roads were turning. So when the roads turn, it has an ending point. And the poet was trying to see the road till its ending point. And undergrowth here means the plants. The road was covered with the plants. Now let's see what is there in the explanation. Now I am going to read the explanation to make you understand what is there. Once the poet was walking down a road and then there was a diversion. There were two different paths and he had to choose one out of them. The poet says that he was one person, he could travel one road only. He had to choose one out of these two roads. Yellow wood means a forest with leaves which are wearing out and they have turned yellow in color due to the season of autumn. It represents a world which is full of people where people have been living for many years. They represent people who are older than the poet. The poet kept standing there and looked at the path very carefully as far as he could see it. Before taking the path, he wanted to know how it was. Was it suitable for him or no? He was able to see the path till from where it curved, after which it was covered with trees and was hidden. It happens in our life also. When we have choices, we have alternatives. But we have to choose one out of them. We take time to think about the pros and cons, whether it is suitable for us or not. And only then we take a decision on what path we should choose. Yes, students, now we are going to do the second stanza of the poem. Then took the other just as fair. You know, the poet had two rods in front of him and he had to select one out of two. Here he is saying he took the other. He took the other means he left the first one and chose the second option, just as fair. He was thinking the other rod was fair, means as good as the other one. The rod which he chose was as good as the other one, and having perhaps the better claim. He was saying that the rod which he chose was perhaps having the better claim. Perhaps here means maybe the rod which he chose was having a better claim. Better claim here means better option, because it was grassy and wanted wear. The rod which he chose was grassy and it was wanted wear. Grassy here means it was unused. The rod which he chose was grassy, means there was grass on it, that means it was unused and wanted wear. The rod had not been used and it wanted that somebody should come and use it. Though, as for the passing there. In the first three lines, the poet is saying that he took the second option. He chose the other rod which he was thinking was a fair option for him, and because he was saying because it was having a better claim, because it was having a better option. Why? He has given a reason for it also, because it was grassy and wanted wear. In the first three lines, he is saying that he is mentioning that he has chosen the second option because he thought that it was good for him. Next, in the next two lines, he is feeling confused. When he started walking in that road, he is saying that, let's see, what does he say? Though as for the passing there. Now he has chosen the other road, he is passing there. And when he is passing there, when he is walking on that road, he is realizing that the road on which he is choosing is equally used as the other one, as the first one. Had warned them really about the same. He is saying that the rod which he left and which he chose have been used equally. About the same means equally. Now let's see what is there in the explanation. The poet kept on looking at one path for a long time to check if it is the right path for him or not. And then he decided, and then he started walking on another path because he felt that the both paths were equally good. He says just as fair. So he felt that both paths were equally good and started walking on one of them. He adds that maybe he felt that the path was better for him, so he chooses it as it has grass on it, which means that it was unused. Not many people had walked on this path earlier. That is why this path was grassy and wanted wear, which means that it was not walked over by many people. After he walked on the path for some distance, he realized that both the paths had been worn out the same way. Both the paths were similar and worn out. Even in our life, we take any path or option, but all of them have the same benefits, disadvantages, problems, challenges, and we must face them. We think that we are choosing a better option, but it's not the way.